Yo, it's good chat. I'm just gonna quickly go over today's price action and if I did or did not take a trade today. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Pull up that bar replay, start new. Boom, we go to 9:30. Okay, boom. So here, I didn't have a confirmed bias. I wasn't for sure bearish, wasn't for sure bullish. I was definitely leaning a bit bearish because I liked that we had a high time frame SMT here with NQ and ES. We did not sweep this high on ES, but on NQ we did, which is a bearish SMT. And also this bearish reaction to sweeping all-time highs on the hourly is very bearish. So shorts, I thought shorts would have looked nice here. I noticed we had an unfilled hourly fair value gap down below, which if you didn't know is a good liquidity pool to target. And we also had okay, bar replay actually sucks. Do you want to exit? What are you talking about? And we also had equal lows right next to the unfilled hourly. So I honestly was leaning bearish, but I wasn't for sure bearish. But I did want to see these equal lows in this unfilled hourly get hit. Those were sort of my drawn liquidities. But I wanted to see us get. Okay, I hate bar replay, dude. But for me to actually execute on a short to confirm my bearish bias, I wanted to see us inverse um, this 15-minute gap or both these 15-minute gaps, or even just inverse these 5 minutes with displacement, this 5 minute with displacement to the downside. So I wanted to see 15 or 5 minute get inverse to the downside to confirm my bearish bias. And yeah, let's see what happened. Market open. We dumped. I was going to take this 1 minute short on eval, but the close was just really bad. So I didn't. Like, we swept these lows before we got it and whatever. So yeah, I was not going to take that. Then we went down. We dumped down. We did inverse 5 minutes to the downside with displacement. So here, that's pretty much bearish. We did not quite inverse the 15-minute to downside, so it wasn't like 100%, but I did like this displacement to downside, so I was bearish, but just nothing clean enough, if I'm being honest. This price action's just not it, so nothing I'd take a trade in. And then, yeah, we pretty much just dumped to the equal lows on full hourly without any entries. I mean, I guess that's a lot. I guess there was a 1 minute inverse short here. It's just like not my preferred entry because I just don't like taking trades in this type of price action. It's just not obvious, just not clean enough for me personally. So did not take anything, although my bias played out pretty perfectly. So yeah, then here we set these lows. Here I was bullish now. Well, actually, no, I lied. I'm not fully bullish here. I'm gonna go to ES because ES actually played a decent role in my bias. So ES was like right around here. We had a very obvious hourly low right here. We were right next to, and we did not hit this yet. Okay, dude, and we did not hit it yet. So before I took a long on NQ, I wanted to see us sweep this obvious hourly low on ES that we were trending to. So now let me go back to NQ now. So yeah, I was not looking for any longs here. I'm guessing some people probably took this 1 minute. I did not like it at all. Um, there's no liquidity above. There's no equals, no unfilled 5 or 15 minute gaps. Just no good buy side liquidity, and also ES I was still bearish, wanting to see us go lower. So yeah, this long I didn't really like at all. Then chop, 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 chop. Now here, I was actually willing to take a trade here because here was ES either swept or was about to sweep hourly low. So I wanted to see us dump down, make an obvious 1 minute gap. What the hell? Make an obvious 1 minute fair value gap on this leg. Boom, react off this hourly, not hourly, react off this 1 minute low right here, then get a long what the hell? Then get a long right here. Because the draw liquidity was obvious, we had an unfilled 15-minute gap above as one draw liquidity. Not only that, we had equal highs right here, as you can see, right here, equal highs. We had equal highs with the unfilled 15-minute gap. And we also just had nice buy-side liquidity, nice like generated buy-side also, arguably low resistance liquidity. So if we, boom, dump down here, got a long, 100% would have been in. And then let's see what happened. We just went up, tapped the 15-minute gap right here. So here, I was pretty much just done for the day. Don't expect anything. So yeah, nothing really much going on. Pretty much just chalk for the rest of the day. It still is 10:51, so I guess I could look for a trade, but I'm just not gonna look for anything on this. So yeah, that's pretty much the day. This is actually insane how whenever I get one trade away from a payout, the price action, the government shuts down. You can't make this up. The government shuts down whenever I'm one trade away from a payout. I haven't taken a trade in a week. I'm taking a trade in like 7 days, maybe. I think it's been 7 days since I last took a trade, and I'm literally one winning trade from a payout. So that's pretty annoying. But if I'm patient, there should be a good trade this week. Because I already went 2 weeks straight without taking a trade earlier in September. I literally went 2 weeks no trade. So like going 2 weeks with no trade again is kind of crazy. Like especially since like when I back test, that like rarely happens. But yeah, we'll see. Hopefully we get a nice little setup this week. We got another No News Tuesday. Since No News Monday was bad, I'm low-key expecting the No News Tuesday to be better. So yeah, we got FOMC Wednesday, then I forget. But yeah, man. But this is something I've gone way better at. Just skipping days that look like this. I haven't taken a trade in 7 days. From like the outside or whatever, it might look like I'm awful at trading and I'm just what word am I looking for? Might just look like I'm getting nowhere with it because I'm not taking any trades. But taking no trades is way better than taking 3 losses, 2 losses. It's just way better than taking losses, which I realize. There's no need to trade unless it's a triple A plus setup. So yeah, man. That's why I'm 1 win away from a payout, because I'm taking days off like that instead of taking stupid losses. So yeah, not trying to turn this video into an hour long. So I'm just gonna wrap it up here. No trades today. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions below on my model or just anything trading related. Feel free to join my free Discord. The link is in my YouTube bio. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. Peace out.